Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to get paid on Facebook Marketplace. So for you to be able to get your payment on your Facebook Marketplace or onto the items that you sell, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So first things first in here is you need to head onto the settings of your account. So just click onto your profile icon and then right after click onto settings and privacy. Now click onto settings again and then right after you'll get redirected onto the other page. So onto this page, you'll need to head onto this Meta Account Center so that you could go ahead and manage your connected experience and account settings across Meta technologies. So you'll just need to click onto see more in Account Center to get redirected onto another page. Now onto this page, you'll just need to find payments in here, click onto that, and you should be able to click onto MetaPay. So right after that, you'll get redirected onto orders and payment. So you should be able to see your payments activity in here, your recurring payments, some settings for your payment in here. So you could add in your shipping address, email, phone number, and for you to be able to add in your payment method, just click onto home and you should be able to add a payment method in here. So this is the part as well where you could see your payment history if you make a purchase or anything like that. So just click on to add payment method, choose for credit card or debit card or PayPal. So you'll just need to choose in the option that you want to go ahead and do so and just fill in the detail of your option. And that's just basically it on to how to add a payment method or how to get paid on Facebook Marketplace. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.